Okay, don't judge my ribbon tying because I opened it. Back to my channel. It is Christy with the Dragon's House, and I am here with the little cute little extra that I never thought that I would purchase. So let's unbox it. So I've already opened it, obviously. So I tried to tie it back because I was excited and I needed to see what it looked like. So I am taking my mom to Vegas, and I want to carry my Speedy for travel. And as y'all know, in my other videos, I have a Speedy 35 with the bandolier. And okay, Levi, I closed the door. Okay, anyway, sorry. I have a Speedy with the bandolier, and this is the strap that it comes with. So it's a nice leather strap with the gold hardware, but once you pack this bag, it's heavy, and this strap starts digging in your shoulders. Not cute, not a good look. So I bought another bandolier, and I want y'all to see it. And I finally actually unboxed something on camera. Yay! I love Louis Vuitton's packaging. It gets me. But this is it. This is the black with the Louis Vuitton embossed, and it comes with the little coin purse. This is the bandolier. So this bandolier, it retails for $930. Again, it comes with the coin purse. And if you have the multi-pochette, it is the same length as that strap. So if you have the multi-pochette, you know kind of where it sits the same. It is 43 inches in length, 1.6 inches in height, and 0.1 inches in width. This color is black, but it also comes in the khaki green, and I'll show you a picture of that. This is nylon. It has the gold hardware, the signature gold Louis Vuitton hardware. Trying to get it to focus. I think it's so pretty, and I really don't cross print a lot, but I kind of like the monogram on that. So I'll show y'all a quick little shot of how it looks. So it is adjustable, just like with the MPA, and its drop is about 12.6 inches, and the furthest it goes is 20.5 inches. And the black is sold out online. I am one of those people, I look online and I hope and pray that they have it at the store when I go. It has the vachetta on here, and of course you know the damier band does not have vachetta, so I'm kind of like, it's gonna be ugly. But sometimes ugly is functional. And to be honest, I really don't care about what nobody else thinks about it. I like it. It's comfortable for me. I don't give a shit. So I won't be struggling walking around with a leather strap digging into my shoulder. So that's how it looks. I'm gonna apple guard it. And this was made in France. So that means hopefully the quality is better. Okay, when I went in the store, they gave me a monogram Speedy to put that strap on, and I was like, oh my god, the vachetta is so pretty. Is it vachetta? Is it vachetta? I don't know. I've probably been saying it wrong for the last like 3 or 4 years. Whatever. So it was so pretty with this, and it just went so well. But I mean, for me, it's functional. I don't even carry my Speedy very much, to be honest. I really only got the strap to travel because I know I'm gonna wear it most of the time. So I'm gonna show you guys some mod shots. Okay, so this is how it looks on. I think it's cute. I hope y'all can see. The color can be a little, kind of throw you off a little bit, but I mean, you're looking too hard if you get thrown off by that. I like this because, don't look at my face. I don't know, I like the black with this. It kind of gives it a sportier look. And then when I get tired of the strap, like if we're just gonna be like at dinner or something, I can always take off the strap or shorten it if I like, and still carry it with the top. So it works. It serves its purpose, and I like the strap. So I hope y'all like the video, and check me out. I'm gonna be coming out with more stuff. So y'all have a good day. Bye.